Hi, this month's journal program is a memory journal, and it's kind of like a super simple version of a scrapbook with a journal in it. And you can pick up the kit here at the library, and this is what it looks like. And in the kit, you'll get some pieces of paper that I've already pre-punched, and you'll get 2 binder clips, or binder rings. And it's really easy to put together. You just line up the paper the way that you want it. And I did put in kind of a selection of paper. There's some scrapbook paper and some writing paper, some colored cardstock, and in the back there's an envelope for things that you don't want to glue to your pages. And then I put a piece of cardboard on the back just to help it stand up straight. So to put it together, all you have to do is arrange your paper and then line up the holes and slide the binder ring in, and then just clip it together. And what makes this really nice is that the binder rings let you add more pages if you need them. And it's really easy to unclip and rearrange your pages if you want to. And that's all there is to it. Now your memory journal is put together. And here is a sample that I did a couple of years ago with some ideas of things that you can put in your memory journal, and you can put anything that you want to in it. But here are some suggestions. I have a couple of pages that have cute little quotes on them. And I have a goal page, things like read 100 books or volunteer to help somebody out. I have some pictures. I guess maybe I should do this way. I have some pictures, I have a color page, I put some birthday cards in it. And this is a good way to keep your all your birthday cards together for each year. I put a little gift bag in here, and I just cut the handles off and poked a hole in it for things that you don't want to glue to the pages if you run out of space in the envelope. There's just another page with a fun quote. I have a book list, books that I've read, and sometimes I put little notes next to them in case somebody comes in and wants a recommendation. I can say whether or not I liked it and why. There are some pictures of places that I visited, some tickets for shows that I've seen. There are some programs. There's a graduation program, and some you can put papers from school where you got good grades. There's another little bag that has some tickets in it that I didn't want to glue to the pages, some notes that I got. I also we took a trip and I put some postcards and some of the pamphlets that we picked up at the hotel for places to go see. This is a picture that I took one night. I pulled off the side of the road and took this picture on my way home one night. And if you have awards or things that you want to remember, but of course a trophy isn't going to fit in your memory journal, so you can take a picture of it. I have my eclipse glasses from the eclipse a few years ago, some invitations, some other awards, more cards. There are some pieces of paper that you can write things that happen to you through the days that give you good memories that you'll want to remember. And in the back, I have the envelope that just has some pictures that I didn't want to glue down, and then another quote. This one's a little harder to handle because it doesn't have the 2 binder rings, but this one will, so it'll work out better. And then come New Year's Eve, you can have your party and open up your memory journal and remember all the great things that happened through the year. Okay, and you can pick this kit up in the atrium or at the drive-up window, and it's for ages around 8 and up. So stop by and have fun throughout the year putting your memory journal together.